Hello, my name is Pamela Williams. I would like to be a mental health counselor. The duties include paperwork for new patients, including insurance, billing, and evaluations, develop treatment plans, administer assessments, individual, couples, and family counseling services. The education required is a Master's of Counseling. My future plans. I have 2 terms left at BYU, Idaho. After I have completed those 2 terms, I will prepare for and take the GRE. After I have passed that, I will apply to Oregon State University in the counseling program. I will earn a Master's of Counseling in 2 years. I am working towards a degree in university studies. This degree includes my previous college and will lend itself well to a variety of future opportunities. My minor is in English, which is teaching me many things, including the way humans see themselves and the world around them. I am also taking 2 clusters, which are family history and psychology. I believe that the things I am learning will work together in a way that will give me the skills to enable me to continue in psychology should I choose to pursue that field. I work in the field of education and see working in the field of psychology as another way to assist people to improve themselves. I think that counseling is another avenue leading people to becoming their best self, and I believe I could be an important part of that journey. My goals are similar to those listed in Chapter 13 of the text. I have a strong interest in the subject of psychology. The knowledge I am learning in the psychology classes will help me to understand myself and others better. I believe my university studies degree will be a good foundation for moving forward to attain a Master's of Psychology degree or any other field I might choose to pursue, even if I choose to stop school with a Bachelor of Science degree. Thank you.